Nashville's growing so fast it seems some buildings just sprout up overnight.
It really does. News Channel 5 Investigates questioned this summer whether a concrete company illegally built its plant despite opposition from neighbors. Now Metro Codes has ruled against the company. Investigative reporter Ben Hall questions how it got this far.
Smyrna Ready said they had the right to build a $1.5 million concrete plant beside the Cumberland River a year ago, despite being told the property isn't zoned for it. But now Metro Codes has ruled the concrete plant is not allowed because the council never approved a zoning change, something the company is appealing.
If it is an illegal structure, if it was something that should not have been built, then why in the world can they continue to operate pending any sort of administrative appeal?
Attorney Nick Leonardo was hired by neighbors who have been fighting the concrete plant for years. They thought they'd won when the Metro Council killed the company's request for a zoning change back in 2016.
They got a resounding no from the community, from our council people, and still they went and built this plant.
Joe Engel lives on a farm a few miles from the plant. He told us this summer he was shocked when he got pictures showing Smyrna Ready built the plant without the community knowing.
When the wealthy corporations come in and say, I want to do X, Y, Z, and I'm going to do it no matter what, that's a bad precedent for your community.
I don't really see any legitimate concern about this operation down there.
In July, the attorney for Smyrna Ready Tom White, said the company has the right to build even without the council's approval. He claimed when the company bought the property in 2014, it knew the previous owners had a concrete plant. He says the right to build a new one is grandfathered in.
It runs with the land, and you can reactivate it. And that's what the grandfathering concept is all about in Tennessee.
But Metro Codes disagreed. In its letter, it said no evidence has been submitted showing the property was ever zoned for a concrete plant.
Frankly, if this whole thing originated in Green Hills, it would not have made it this far, but you have people that are building things in a community without permission.
Now residents are upset Metro is allowing concrete trucks to go in and out of the plant while the company appeals.
They should not be allowed to continue to operate while this appeal is working its way through the process.
This may take a while to resolve. The Board of Zoning Appeals is set to hear the case in March, so the plant will continue to operate at least until then. And there's always the possibility this ends up in court. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 Investigates.